welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Violet. Today I'm going to teach you how to make slime. You need 6 ingredients: a bowl, activator, which is laundry detergent, heavy glue, glitter if you want, a popsicle stick or a spoon, and a lot of paint. First, you take your bowl and your heavy glue. And if you want a lot of slime, you'll pour a lot of glue. If you want not that much, you'll pour a little. I'm going to pour a medium amount because I don't want too much, but I don't want a little. And then you pick any color of paint. I'm going to pick yellow because it's so cute. Don't put too much paint. And if you wanted to use glitter, you put the glitter after the paint. Don't put too much glitter, but I put a lot of glitter because I love the glitter. And then you mix it. Mine is going to turn out super glittery because I put a ton of glitter. Once you find like a really nice color that you like, you're going to take the activator laundry detergent and start with a little tiny bit. And it won't be transforming into slime. And then you're going to add a little more. It will start getting a little more. And then you add a couple more drops. And you'll start to see it's forming into slime. Super cool, gooey, cool slime. When you're mixing it, it's gonna look super gooey and gross. Once you think you're ready, put it in your hands. At first, it's gonna feel like my slime didn't work. It's gross, but then you have to play with it for a little. And it'll start turning into great slime. Super cool, really good slime. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.